What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a Volkswagen Jetta started if the key fob dies. I'm going to be demonstrating on a 2019 Jetta in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. And this is only going to apply to the Jettas that have a push-button start ignition. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle, as I normally would, I'm going to get a message here saying key not detected, hold key on designated surface. And where that designated surface is, where it wants you to hold the key fob, is on the right-hand side of the steering column. You see this icon of a key right here? So what I'm going to do, without pressing the brake, I'm going to press the stop-start button, and then I'm going to hold the key fob on that icon like that. And as I do that, it puts the vehicle in the on position. And now we can start it as normal. And then you'll just need to replace the battery in your fob as soon as you can. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.